Hey guys, it's Jeff with a little home project here, homework DIY. Now and then, vinyl windows need to be lubricated just to give them a better slide. I'm going to show you how I do it. I use spray silicone. I would never use WD-40. I use their brand of silicone spray. And you have a couple of ways to do it. I don't spray on the windows like this, and certainly I tell my home inspection clients not to do that. The reason is paint will never stick to those areas again when it gets on there. So what I do is spray it lightly onto a paper towel. Then I'll go in and rub the areas where the bottom window touches up and down there. And that's all I have to do, is just that. Then I'm going to raise the window. It's already easier. And I'm going to rub the bottom. Just that. Right there. So now the inside surfaces where they touch has all been lubricated. That goes down. As it goes up and down, it's much easier. And I'm done. So don't spray, put it on a paper towel, and a wipe helps to clean it too. So thanks, bye.